Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make public videos on YouTube. First, it's crucial to understand YouTube's content policies and community guidelines. These rules ensure a safe and respectful environment for all viewers. Preparing your video file in a standard format, like MP4, is also an essential first step. This ensures compatibility and a smooth upload process, setting the stage for your content to reach a broad audience. Once your video is ready, log in to your YouTube account. You'll find the Create button, usually in the top right corner. Click it, then select Upload Video and choose your file. While it uploads, take time to craft a compelling title that grabs attention and a detailed description. A good description helps viewers understand your content and improves search engine optimization, making your video more discoverable. Now, let's talk about visibility. To make your video public, simply select the Public option. This ensures anyone can find and watch your content. Don't forget to add relevant tags. These keywords significantly boost your video's searchability. Finally, choose an engaging thumbnail. This small image is often the first thing viewers see, so make it visually appealing to encourage clicks and maximize your video's reach. After your video is public, the work isn't over. Include a clear call to action within your video, encouraging viewers to subscribe or comment. Share your new public video across all your social media platforms to expand its reach. Finally, regularly check YouTube Analytics. This powerful tool provides valuable insights into viewer behavior, helping you understand what works best and refine your strategy for future successful public videos.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.